I've run out of thread here, sewing the eye on, so I've gone 3 times over underneath in the same spot underneath there, because, and I can start it again underneath here because the white of the eye will cover it up, so I can start up the with the new thread in one spot here. But I don't actually have to do 3 times if I don't want to, because I've already got a knot in the end of this one, and I went back through the double thickness there. So I got to go back to where I was, and down through the purple, and about 3mm up into the white. Around the top to make it nice and neat. So down into there, up into there. Take your time pulling it through. So down in the same spot, or next to the spot it went through, long 5mm into the purple, into the face, and back down into the face and up into the eyeball. Wrap the thread around the top. Feel like it's going to start snagging or twisting, take it easy, bring it through slowly. So this stitch is basically what I'm going to do on most of it, but you know, I might do some different stitches just to show how you can do them. The key is whatever stitch you have, it's got to be strong for a child. Whenever I pull the thread out, I'm always putting my hand and pulling it away from the stitching, away from where the stitch is, away from the eyeball. I'll show you again. In here, out through there. And when I'm twisting it around here, around the tip of the needle, it's come through, that's when I'm pulling the needle out away from it. And that naturally makes a little loop. Back in beside it, up 5mm. Now I'm coming to the end here. I'll finish this stitch off. And this is when I can finish it off inside here somewhere. Actually, I might just do one more, secure it down a bit more. That's better. Right. Now I can go through to the back and do this because it's actually going to have stuffing on the inside. And there's all my stitches underneath. I'm just going to do 3 in one go. I sometimes do 4, depending on how I'm feeling on the time. 1, 2, 3, how secure they feel. Alright, so now it's really strong. I'm cutting it about 5mm away from the last stitch. Now I'm going to change my thread and decide where the rest of them are going. See, well actually I might even end up putting the white on while I've got that thread there. So I don't actually have to sew them onto, I can do them in different, the black onto the glue if I feel like it first, or put it there. I might want to move it around a bit. It's kind of no real rules with this one. It's a monster after all. It doesn't have to be in the centre. It can be. Your call.